Down south, we have extreme heat, so we need a material that's going to be stiff and can withstand that extreme heat. So down south, we spec PG 76-22 NV asphalt. So to put that in perspective, that's 168 degrees Fahrenheit that our material has to withstand. In order to make sure that our material meets that standard of that potential temperature, we run a test called the dynamic shear rheometer, the DSR. And what that does is we'll take a dollop of asphalt and place it into the machine, and it'll heat it up to that 168 degrees, and we'll test it at that environmental temperature by putting pressure on it and a torque on it, which represents what rutting would do in the real world. And our material has to meet a minimum specification in order to even be placed down there at that temperature. Another thing we look for in our asphalts is to have a modified asphalt with polymers. And what polymers do is they kind of act like rubber bands in our asphalt, so that when it does move for rutting, it'll want to stretch back to its original position. And one of the ways we test for that here in the asphalt lab for polymers, and we'll fill a mold with asphalt and chill it down to 4 degrees Celsius, and then stretch it at 5 centimeters a minute until it ruptures. And those are just a few of the tests we do to ensure that we have the highest quality materials being placed on our roadway.